Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, Class 8 candidates. How are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to today's lesson, whereby we are going to look at postal charges. Postal charges, it involves these are charges, these are incurred when sending parcels. Sometimes you can decide to send a parcel from one postal area or from one area to another. So that amount of money that will be charged is what we call the postal charges. Sometimes you can also decide to send letters. For example, you send a letter maybe to your parents or to your relatives or maybe your friends who are far away from you. So those charges incurred are what we call postal charges. You can also decide maybe to send parcels to other people, to your relatives or to another person outside the country. That is what we call international charges. So we have two types of postal charges. We have inland postal charges. Inland postal charges. These are postal charges or incurred in or postal charges which are charged on sending items or parcels within one country. For example, if you are in Kenya, anything that you are sending within Kenya, for example, you can send a letter from Nairobi to Mombasa. You can send a letter from Kisumu to Nairobi or to Siaya or to any other part of the country, but within the same country. That is what we call inland postal charges. Then we have international postal charges. International postal charges. These are postal charges outside the country, between different countries. For example, you are in Kenya, you send a letter to somebody who is in Saudi Arabia. You are in Kenya, you receive a letter from a person who is maybe in America. Those are international postal charges. So when we are calculating postal charges, the amount of money we calculate that you pay at the post office is what we call the postage. That is the total postage. Postage is the amount of money that you will pay for sending a letter or a parcel. For example, and when you're calculating postal charges, you calculate per weight, either in grams or in kilograms. For example, we have this table here, whereby this is the item and the charge, or the amount of money charged. For example, the item is given in weight limit, what we call weight limits. For example, you are told from 0 to 100 grams, you pay 25 shillings. From 100 over 100 grams to 500, you pay 35 shillings. Then over 500 grams to 1 kilogram, over 500 grams to 1 kilogram, you pay 47 shillings. Then over 1 kilogram to 3 kilograms, you pay 54 shillings. Then lastly, over 3 kilograms to 10 kilograms, you pay 60 shillings. 60 shillings. Then above 10 kilogram, each additional kilogram, each additional kilogram over 10 kilogram is charged 20 shillings. So that is a table that shows the charges for sending items. That is an inland postal charges table. That means any parcel that you are sending that will weigh between 0 to 100 grams, you will pay 25 shillings. any parcel that will send weighing between 100 to 500. If it is over 100, means it is 101 up to 500, you will pay 35 shillings. Any parcel that will send over 500, that is 501 up to 1 kilogram, you will pay 47 shillings. And anything that you will send, any parcel that you will send over 1 kilogram to 3 kilogram, you will pay 54 shillings. Then the question will be, somebody sent 3 parcels. Somebody sent 3 parcels through the post office. 1 parcel, 2 parcels each. 2 parcels, each weighing 450 grams. 2 parcels, each weighing 450 grams. And one parcel, and another parcel weighing 2.5 kilograms. How much did he pay for the postage? Somebody sent 3 parcels. Somebody sent 3 parcels through the post office. 2 parcels, each weighing 450 grams, and 1 parcel weighing 2.5 kilograms. How much did this person pay for the postage? So, we have 2 parcels here, and 1 parcel will weigh 450 grams. So how much will he pay for 1 parcel weighing 450 grams? We go back to your table. Where is the weight limit for 450 grams? 450 grams is between 100 and 500 grams. So that means that 450 is at this weight limit here. Over 100 grams to 500 grams. So that person will pay how much shillings? 35 shillings. And remember, there are how many parcels? There are 2. So for the 2 parcels, you will pay a total of 70 shillings. Then we have another parcel which weighs 2.5 kilograms. What is the weight limit for 2.5 kilograms? What is the weight limit for 2.5 kilograms? The weight limit for 2.5 kilograms is over 1 kilogram to 3 kilograms. It will not be here 3 kilograms, but it is between 1 to 3 kilograms. So how much will he pay? 54 shillings. So for the 2 kg parcel, he will pay 54 shillings. So what is the total amount? That is 124 shillings. That is the amount of money you will pay for the postage for those 3 parcels. 2 parcels each weighing 450 grams. So you look for the weight limit for 450 grams, which is over 100 to 500 grams. And because there are 2 parcels, we multiply by 2. Sometimes you'll be told, I'm doing the last example. Somebody sent 2 letters. Somebody sent 2 letters. One weighing 9.8 kilograms, 9.8 kilograms, and another one weighing 12 kilograms. How much did he pay for the postage? Somebody sent 2 parcels, one weighing 9.8 kilograms and another one weighing 12 kilograms. How much did he pay for the postage? So, where is the weight limit? Which is the weight limit for 9.8 kilograms? 9.8 kilograms is here, between 3 kilograms to 10 kilograms, because it has not yet reached 10 kilograms. It is 9.8. So, for this one, you will pay 60 shillings. Then we have another parcel weighing 12 kilograms. How much will he pay? What is the weight limit for 12 kilograms? The weight limit for these charges is up to 10 kilograms. So, in 12 kilograms, we have already 10 kilograms. How much will he pay for the 10 kilograms? We will pay what? 60 shillings. How many additional kilograms are there over 10? We have, he had 12 kilograms. The first 10 kilograms will pay 60 shillings. Then we have 2 additional charges, 2 additional kilograms. Each additional kilogram is 20 shillings. Each additional kilogram is 20 shillings. So the additional kilograms here are 2. So this one will be a total of 40 shillings. Will be a total of 40 shillings. 40 shillings. So for the 12 kilogram, this person will pay a total of 100 shillings. And remember, we have another one for 9.8 kilograms. So plus 60 shillings. So it will be a total of 160 shillings for posting the two parcels. So if it is over 10 kilogram, according to this table here, according to the weight limits are only up to 10 kilograms. Each additional kilogram, so you'll first pay for the 10 kilograms, that is 60 shillings. Then the 2 additional kilograms. Each additional kilogram is 20 shillings. If they were 13 kilograms, you'll multiply 20 times 3. Then you get, but now here we have 2 kilograms additional. So that is a total of 160 shillings. Thank you.